Hello YouTube, I hope everybody is doing great. I want to let you know today of my second campaign for the MagScroll on Indiegogo. There are currently 4 days to go before it starts and I need all your support. So, where do I start? I don't know. You might know the MagScroll from before. If not, it is a magnetic scroll wheel that rides on bearings. It has an ABS enclosure. It has 12 Neopixel LEDs configurable. It has a CNC machined aluminum knob, and it makes scrolling so much easier. Let me show you on my PC first. You know, you can scroll with your mouse and it just takes forever. Or you can use my MagScroll and scroll smoothly without any hiccups very precisely. It does work on anything you can actually throw at it. For example, in your code, instead of doing it, let me say, the old-fashioned way with scrolling. And my MagScroll does not only support scrolling, you can adjust volume, you can seek videos back and forth, you can use it for 3D CAD programs, you could use it for zooming in and out, and it does work on Windows, it does work on Mac, and it does work on Linux. So in Linux, same thing. If you want to scroll a page, it just takes forever. Or you can use the MagScroll, and you see how fast you can go up and down wherever you want. And this is a small Linux computer, handheld, and I tried it and it obviously works on Linux as well. It works anywhere a regular human interface device works, a mouse. So I also have an app that you can use, currently only on Windows. Let me show it to you, and I will put the link to my campaign into the description below. Please do check it out. You won't be disappointed if you use it. And here is my app that I made for the MagScroll. It's a configuration tool. You can use it for flashing firmware. Here on the top you click refresh to find the current MagScroll that is connected to your PC. This one does currently scroll, and let's change it to volume. For example, you'll select volume, you'll click flash firmware. It takes a tiny bit of time, and that's it. It did flash it, and now when you turn it, you can see it here. You can adjust volume. On the volume, for example, there's also an accelerometer chip inside. You can double tap to mute and then just turn, or double tap again to unmute. You don't have to hit it hard. I mean, you see how I'm not hitting it, I'm tapping it. Double tap, so you won't accidentally tap it. Double tap. And you want to back to MagScroll, click MagScroll, flash firmware, and you change its function again. And here you have firmware failed. It did change the COM port because I have actually a Mac volume on COM port 14. So you just hit refresh up there. If you have more than one, you select the correct one, and then you flash firmware. And up here you can see the different codes that I have, and you can get everything in my GitHub. And here we go. It did change the function of it, and now we have scrolling again. What did I upload? Let me upload it again. I might have a wrong hex file in there. So let's see what we can do here. There you go. It was a wrong flash. And this is how easy it is. It has a silicone pad on the bottom, so it won't slide on your desk. And if you want to change the colors, you can configure it. You close this tab, go into device settings, and here you can connect to change the colors for the LEDs. You can change the scroll sensitivity. You can adjust the brightness. If you don't want it to have any LEDs, you just set it to black and then click apply settings, and that's it. There's also a timer code that I have, the Mag timer, where you can adjust in minutes and then it just blinks when it's done. Kind of like how you call it, I forgot now. But anyway, so if you're interested, if you have any questions, please also do watch my other videos about the MagScroll. I have plenty, and I will put each link in the description so you don't have to search my channel, because I have over 600 videos. Yeah. And I also want to thank Adam for your contribution for the hardware that I needed for the U console. Thank you very much, Adam. I greatly appreciate. And maybe you need some more MagScrolls, so check the link and please support me on Indiegogo. We have 4 days till launch. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish everybody my best. Take care.